Hey, what's up, everyone that watched this video here for Thursday, June 24th. I apologize for those in the chat room today. I had to step away after the morning. Thought I was going to be gone like 90 minutes. I was gone over 3 hours and didn't even get back in time really to place a trade in the afternoon. So, ugly day in the SPY. I think the Dow was down somewhere near 700 points. I believe that's on COVID cases ramping up. So, anyway, just be aware of that while we're trading tomorrow. I think there'll be plenty of opportunities. Here's what I'm watching. Let me type that again. PHCF. Never heard of this one before, but had this crazy move and gave a lot of it back today. But look at the volume. So big volume. Closed at 328. As I'm talking in after hours, keep in mind it's only 4:55, so we're not even an hour into the after hour session. This thing's already broken 6. So it's having a big after hours run. Right now it's trading at 560, but it was actually over 6 a little bit ago. So potential gap play tomorrow on a stock that, I mean, if I hover over some of these days, 1,300 shares one day, 1,500 shares one day. So, I mean, and that's why it looks like a paint splatter almost until today. So anyway, I certainly think it's worth watching. SINT, closing well off its highs. Kind of in the middle of its range, and you have a lot of bag holders from this day 3 sessions ago. But overall, in a week tape, pretty strong stock, so we're going to watch that one. VXRT. You can kind of picture a trend line right here. Nice volume today, and it's trying to kind of break this trend line. It certainly had a strong day today in a week tape, so that's VXRT. Keep in mind when you're watching my videos, I am looking for stuff to hopefully give me an intraday trade tomorrow. I'm in cash every night. Surf, SURF, did this on like 1.4 million shares. So a big move, but you don't really see any extra volume. It had huge volume this day, but it is curling up nicely. Maybe that whole number 6 comes into play tomorrow. FPRX. Let me pan out a little bit here. I kind of like this chart. I wish I had it on watch coming into today because you had the big pop, then you had that quiet inside day, and then today we got that third day play you hear me talk about all the time. So now, I feel like I'm chasing. Should have had it on watch, but you never know. Maybe we get an A+ setup. SONN. This one's kind of obscure, and you can hardly see it, right? Just chopping sideways here, no volume, but you do have that extra volume push today, and I'll hover over today's candle. It actually went from 381 to 495, so a big percentage move. Before closing at 438. So I know it's kind of weird, kind of obscure, but I definitely think I'm going to watch it. All right. XRF had the big pop, the inside day that actually topped out right around the half, right around 350. Potential play tomorrow, especially if the Chinese stocks get moving. I like this one a lot. It's a pretty good trader yesterday. CYCN. There's a possible third day play. The big pop, quiet inside day, the whole number 7 might come into play, topped out at 698 today. Possible third day play there. Let's see, CYCN. GNPX. Just another fairly strong stock on good relative volume for the stock. Maybe a follow-through day there. DXLG. I don't usually like the under $1 stuff, but I do kind of like this chart. You had a pop back here a couple weeks ago or something, 87 cents. Yesterday, put in a lower high at 80 cents, and today an inside day at 78. Kind of like it over 80 cents. It might, challenge this recent high and get going. Certainly some good relative volume the past couple weeks. DYNT, this is my sleeper pick. The mask plays have been strong, and this one has been lumped in with the mask plays, whether it is or not for sure. I'm not certain, but traders tend to go to this when you see NBY or APT or AHPI, when you see those moving, Lake. So I do want to watch this. Topped out right around $1, and I'll show you NBY. I'm not putting NBY on the watch list, but I'll probably have it on a chart. Nice little breakout today in that one. So if that continues, DYNT seems to be a sympathy to that one. And it's, you could argue, I guess it's got more room to run. Had big volume about a week ago. That's kind of my sleeper pick for mask plays if they get moving. BMRA, big pop, inside day. And you got a pop today too. Nice relative strength today. Topped out at 782. If we can break today's high tomorrow over 782, might break through that hole number 8 and then maybe challenge and even break out above 845. So I want to watch that one. A couple more. FMCI. Potential bounce play. It was on Bounce Watch today, and we just got another big red day all the way down into the 20-day now. After a really strong move, a nice pullback to the 20-day. That just goes back on Bounce Watch tomorrow. And then Kirk, K-I-R-K, huge move 2 days ago. Couple red days on declining volume. That one also goes on Bounce Watch. We'll find gappers in addition to this list in the pre-market. Should be plenty to watch, and I'll see you guys in chat in the morning.